Hi there, my name is Alex Leeper, and today I'm going to be giving a mock interview as if I were to apply to a position in the video game industry. So, I am a composer, a filmmaker, and a video game designer. I have taken lots of classes regarding all of these three topics at the University of Tulsa, and as of my graduation date in May 2020, I will have a Bachelor of Arts in Music, Film Studies, and a minor in Computer Simulation and Gaming. So, I am a very well-rounded individual. However, none of these skills work independently. I have been using all of my skill set towards creating projects and using all of my different skills that I've learned in ways that I can express creatively. One aspect of this is obviously composing. I have made my focus composing for the last 6 or 7 years of my life, and ever since around middle school, I was always interested in making up the tunes that came up into my head and putting them on paper. And in high school, I took composing as a private lesson at the Academy of the Arts in Fort Smith, and ever since then, I've viewed composing as sort of like my main skill. When I got to the University of Tulsa, however, I got introduced to the film studies program, and that sort of let me know that film studies is another way in which I can also work creatively. So I was able to make a short film in my Introduction to Filmmaking class, which was received pretty well by a lot of my peers, and that I was kind of from there on, I was able to say, well, I actually really like what I'm doing here, and I really like being able to work in film, and so that is kind of where that skill set has brought itself. I have taken classes in photography and art design, and lastly, my area of expertise is in video game design. When I was in high school, I took only the only computer science related course, which was just computer science. And but from there I was like, well, I really like this. So I decided to plan for a minor in computer science when I went into college. However, I discovered the wonderful area of computer simulation and gaming here, and I just fell in love with it. So I thought to myself, well, I could either get a triple major in music, film studies, and computer simulation and gaming, or a major in music and video and computer simulation and gaming and a minor in film studies. Some of the skill sets that I've obtained by taking classes and getting the majors that I have gotten are the ability to model in 3D programs, such as I've learned in 3D Autodesk, 3ds Max, and in Unity's Procore tools, and as well as general coding in Unity and using Playmaker as a plugin to be able to code these the games that I've been making. I have been working on a couple of game projects within the last couple of years. One of them has been primarily focused on my composition, which is a game project that I have deemed called Tulipia. This game world takes place within the minds of everyone. It could be in the mind of you or me. And in this sort of battle, in this game, you are battling and dealing with the ways in which your subconscious interact with each other and how they interact with other people. And the biggest area that I have gotten down so far in terms of story has been the music side of things. And as my game prototype, I'd like to play a little sample of the music that has inspired this game pitch. If you are interested in seeing some of my works, such as my filmmaking, more composing, or a video game demo, please check the link down below for a full demo reel of all of my works up to 2019. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed my mock interview.